The loudest person in the room is always the one with the least power. You are bleeding status and control with every unnecessary syllable. The person across from you, the one who says nothing, is doing something you aren't. A man named Zeno lost everything. A shipwreck took his wealth. He walked into the center of Athens and sat in total silence. He was undergoing a biological upgrade. By the time he spoke, Stoicism was born. Today, you are going to learn how to use that same silence. Every word you speak is a gamble. In social psychology, there is a concept. known as the information gap. When you speak, you close that gap. You provide the data they need to categorize you. High-status individuals understand that silence creates a social vacuum. Humans are evolutionarily hardwired to find uncertainty intolerable. They will start talking. They will reveal their motives, their insecurities, and their hand. By doing nothing, you have gained everything. You have become the apex observer. But this isn't just about tricking people. This is about your brain. A 2013 study found that 2 hours of silence daily triggers adult neurogenesis. This is the region of the brain responsible for memory, learning, and emotional regulation. Marcus Cato would spend days in the Roman Senate without saying a word. His peers thought he was slow. They were wrong. Cato was practicing the strategic hold. He would only speak when his words were so undeniable they acted as a social execution. In modern terms, this is the information embargo. You are starving the environment of data. Ask yourself, is this sentence more valuable than the neurogenesis currently occurring in my brain? If the answer is no, stay silent. This is the shift from reactive pleaser to fortress of intent. When you refuse to react, you force the other person's amygdala to fire in a vacuum of your making. You are not just being quiet. You are conducting a biological autopsy on their social standing. Starting now, I am assigning you the 10-second rule. For the next 48 hours, wait. Watch the other person's face. Watch their discomfort as they try to fill the void. You aren't being rude. You are being upgraded. Feel your hippocampus fire up. This is the 48-hour protocol. Use the weekend to reset your baseline for noise. The world wants you to talk because talking makes you predictable. Silence makes you dangerous. You are no longer a reactive player in their game. You are the architect of the silence. If you can handle the void, you can handle anything. I'll see you in the next upgrade.